state transitioning diagram is helpful where you need to test different system transitions. To understand this with an example, let's consider the behavior of login screen of flight reservation application. Consider you have entered agent name in the login screen. On first attempt, you enter correct password, and you are given access to the application. In case you entered incorrect password, an error screen is shown, and you are asked to enter the password again, the second time. You can make 3 attempts. But if at the 4th attempt, you enter incorrect password, the application will be closed. In case you enter correct password at the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th attempt, you will be given access to the application. Amongst these various system transitions, the scenario of access at first attempt, and close of application at 4th attempt are important and need to be essentially tested. But scenario of access at 2, 3 and 4th attempt, are less important and perhaps you can test one of them. This diagram is called state chart, or state graph. There are 4 main components of the graph. States that the software may occupy, transition from one state to other, events that cause transition, actions that result from events. State graph is useful for identifying valid transitions. But if you want to determine invalid transitions, you can use state table. In a state table, all the valid states are listed on the left side of the table, and the events that cause them, on the top. Each cell represents the state system will move to when the corresponding event occurs. For example, while in S1 state, you enter correct password, you are taken to state S6. Or in case you enter incorrect password, you are taken to state S2. Likewise, you can determine all other states. If you observe, 2 invalid states are highlighted using this method, which basically means, what happens when you are already logged into the application, and you open another instance of flight reservation, and enter valid or invalid passwords, for the same agent. System response for such a scenario can be tested.